Hey everyone, it's Jenny Garcia, and in this video I'm going to be opening a package, a little kit that Leilani made for me. You can find her on YouTube and Instagram as Leilani Scraps. I will link her info below. And I am doing this thing called Crafting with Friends, and I previously did it with Danny from Pop Fizz Paper, and now I decided to do it again this year, so this is not going to be the last time I do it. Leilani was the first one to agree to do it this year. It's been a while since I've done it, and I'm so happy because I love her style and I love making her kit. I can't wait to see what she made for me. I haven't peeked. I did took a little bit of tape out because it's protected very well. Oh, here. I already see rainbows, and I do love rainbows. I can't open this. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. So, the purpose of these kits is to grab things from your stash that you're not using anymore and pass them on to someone who will do something cool with them. That way, you know, things don't get, things get used. Oh, this is so cute. I love the colors. I love the colors already. Love this. And I love these cards already. They're so cool. Always have hope. I love these colors. I love happy colors. This I love because I do document movies and books I read. Even sometimes books that my daughters read. Oh, this is so perfect. Because my daughter, the little one, loves everything space related. Currently enjoying, and these looks like little globes. Really cool. Life is amazing. I love a good rainbow. These cards. I think this was holding the whole thing together. Oh no, this is like ribbon. Oh, it's washi. Oh, that's really cool. I love it. I'm a sucker for washi, and that is perfect. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, what is up with me? I can't talk today. That is so cute. Oh, these are Pokemon. Oh, I have to hide this before my kids get it. They're so cute. Oh, Diglett and Pikachu. And they all look like chubby like Kirby's. Okay, me. Keep looking through this. I do love little word stickers, so this is perfect. And once we so the first video is us making the kits. That's cute. And the second one is this one, each other opening the kits that we got. I haven't looked at that. And the third one is going to be a video of us doing a little project with it. Ooh, I like that one even more. I'm gonna flip it to the other side. So I'm gonna be using this to document my project life, which, by the way, I am so behind. So behind. This is so cute. I love these colors. Oh, I love this one. And you see, sometimes you get things in a kit that you're like, okay, that's cute, but I don't think I'm gonna use it. So this is a great way to pass it on. And I already have one. Oh, she wrote a note. Okay. Sending sunshine your way. I should have read this first, shouldn't I? Okay. It says, Jenny, hi. Thank you so much for asking me to be a part of this fun swap. I'm so excited and flattered you would ask me. What an awesome idea. I hope you're well. I can't wait to see what fun spread you come up with. I also threw in some scratch and sniff stickers. Cool for your girls. Sending love, Leilani. Oh, this is so cute. I love this. It's so cute. And if you haven't seen Leilani's videos, they're super, her layouts are gorgeous, and she is working in a few. Oh, I love this blue. I love, this is so cool. I want to sniff them. I mean, Too bad that you guys can, but I kind of want to do it. Oh, it smells like grape. These are peaches and cream. Oh, it smells yummy. This is like orange, like Fanta sort of. That is so cool. It's so cool. And it's weird to have a video of me sniffing things, but I have to. They're so cool, and my daughters love stickers. So they're gonna love these. Thank you so much for sending them stuff too. And let me open this. These are like chipboard die cuts and some not enamel dots, like puffy dots and puffy hearts, which I love, and I love these colors. I am loving it. So it's definitely not a morning person. Oh, that's me. I've got sunshine, feeling very tired, wake up, morning routine, breakfast is served, sleepyhead, first up, and rise and shine. These are so pretty. Oh. Okay. Then this little packaging. Oh, this is the same washi tape. Oh, it's so cute. And I actually have some pictures of Pokemon in my project life because my daughter draws them, and also during the beginning of the quarantine they started playing Pokemon Go, and that's how we would go out. I know, super late, way after everyone, but we got there eventually. Okay, I can't. My favorite kind of day streaming on my playlist, and I do have to take a picture of my Pandora, not the playlist. Oh, this is so cute. Learn from home. Oh my god, yes. I can't wait for school to be over. Going crazy. Sometimes the little things are the big things. Very true. Arts and crafts, learning something. And we also ask each other one thing that I should totally avoid. Oh, this is so cute. I love this. Now you can put your pronouns on Instagram if you didn't know. Or in things that we did like, and I just like told her that I like bright, happy stuff. I document a lot of things with my daughter. I don't often document sad things. If I do it like in a different way, because I don't want to look back and see sad stuff. There's always new sad stuff, sadly. Pajamas all day, yes. Well, thank you so much, Leilani, and honestly, I'm so happy with the kit. It's super cute. I freaking love the colors. I love this. Like, this one is already, like, first thing that I'm going to put in my, and I'm even going to put this in my Project Life pocket. So, hey guys, so, I received this package from Leilani after she sent me this one. She felt bad because she said that my package was bigger, but I love her so much. The kid that she made me, I was like, you really don't need to. And she's like, no, I really have to. So she sent me this one, and it has unicorns. Look how cute. So let's see, because I already have a bunch of ideas for what she sent me already, and the fact that there were rainbows, I was like, sold. Can use rainbows every time of the year. Okay, this shoebox is way too flipping cute. Oh, it's like it's a photo box. Cool. Okay. Oh, she sent me another card. Okay, if I can. It says thanks, and it says, Jenny, hi again. I just wanted to send you a few more goodies to go with the other stuff I sent. I've never done anything like this before, so I hope this additional thanks someone match what I already sent. Thank you again for the beautiful package. I love everything. You're so kind. I can't wait to make our PO and see what the other crafts. Thanks again for asking me to join. Hope you have a wonderful day. Love, Leilani. That is so sweet. This is so pretty. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. Oh, these are die cuts, and I love the L Studio die cuts. Whenever they have Black Friday sale, I always get them because they're awesome. And more cards. Oh, I already love this card. Weekend Adventures. Because that's like, since the girls are at school, so pretty during the week. That is, you know, the time that we have left that we don't have to think at school. The fact that they are doing virtual school, I think it's ruining the house for us. This is so cute. I don't know, I can't wait to be done with virtual school. We finished mid-June, which is like, should be illegal. I don't know what the heck is up with that. I was a teacher, but like teaching at home, teaching your own kids, that's like something else. Super cute, and I love this baggie too. I love these, and I always have a bunch of labels, so that's a must for me. And this one is really cute too. Oh, I love these kind of shapes from Studio Calico. They're so pretty. And tags, and I love these. You know, I haven't finished my December daily. Yes, from 2020, I haven't. So these I might use for that. I love these color ones. So pretty. Paper Studio. I have a bunch of enamel dots. I love them. Lately, I've been using a lot of my little hearts. So, oh, these are for like tabs. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, I want to open these. Oh, that's so pretty, and I love the hollow tab. These are so pretty. Is that like brand from Michaels? No, Agenda 52 from the Paper Studio. What is the Paper Studio? Is it Joann's? Because last time I went to Joann's, it was not good. I found one that I never been to, and it was like, it was the saddest little Joann's I ever been to. Sucks. This is repositionable, and you know, I used to use this brand for my, if your mats for the Cricut or the Silhouette lose their stickiness, I recommend using the big one. There's one that has like a big head, and you can spread it all over and let it dry, and make sure that you put your hands on it, that way they lose their stickiness, so you don't have to buy new mats. So I do love this glue. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, now I'm like, where is this Agenda 52? Is that Michael's? No, Hobby Lobby. Oh, I never go to Hobby Lobby. That's why I had no idea. I don't even know where's my local Hobby Lobby. I should go. This is so cute. Aww. And I just posted today on my Instagram a picture of my daughter sleeping. It was like a little layout I made for Pretty Little Studio. Oh, I love this. Really thick. I have one, but it's like less chunky. And you can use this for stitching too. This is so pretty. Friends make life fun. Happy days. It's so cute. I love this font. And double-sided foam tape. there's like loose items here too. You didn't really have to send anything else, but it's so cute. Drama shield activated. Oh my god, I could use that. I have a teenager who is new at being a teenager and she's annoyed by everything. That should be like a real thing that I can like pull on her every time she gets so moody. Okay, and there's a few of these wood veneers. Do you really forgot the name for those? Those are so cute. Oh, and I also like to color these either with my paint pen from Posca or the Tombow alcohol ABT Pro markers. Oh, I'm trying to grab this. Okay, there you go. And it's a little puffy sticker. This is so cute. Oh dear. Okay. I'm going to try to keep it all together and I can't wait to start making something with this. I'm going to look through my project life and see what spread speaks to me. Thank you so much for watching and make sure you go see Leilani's videos and stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the projects that we're going to make. Okay? Have an awesome day. Bye.